I do believe they're looking out for Hellsburg's best interest.
They bring new ideas to us all the time.
And they're real passionate about the work that they do.
They're there to help solve the problems, not point them out. And as an owner, that helps us immensely.
We are creating a new environment for engineering.
This year we're doing, I believe, 10 new stores and about 15 remodels. So, it ranges from 20 to about 35 projects a year. So Larson Binkley's done all of them in the 8 years I've been here.
Larson Binkley is in the business of doing engineering as opposed to being engineers in business.
You got to get the store started on time, you got to get the permit, and you've got to open on time. If you're not making any sales, then you might as well not build the store. They understand retail, they understand what we're trying to do. We've never missed an opening day.
The client is the most important part of the company. As long as we're successful with our clients, then we as a company can be successful.
We're growing, and having them certified in 49 states is a big part of that. It just lends itself to repetition, and we can continue the growth process with them. Do they really affect the permit process? Sure they do.
We have multiple individuals in every state, and that's by design. It's for the client's benefit. They can always rest assured that there will be someone available to take care of their signatures.
We had an issue where the mall didn't have enough smoke evacuation to get the smoke out of the space. So the city wasn't going to pass our inspection, so we couldn't occupy the space. It wasn't Hellsburg's problem, the problem wasn't Larson Binkley's, but I called Chris Larson. I said, listen, can you help me out with this issue? Larson Binkley stepped at the plate to help us out and solve the problem.
We have many of our clients that actually consider us part of their company because we work so closely with them.
Larson Binkley, they deliver when you put out a schedule. They certainly do deliver and hit those timelines with the utmost professionalism, and they also give more than what's even asked for.
We don't view people like the contractor or the vendor as an interruption to our day. All those people become customers because we have to assist them in getting the end product built.
They make sure that not only with their own team is coordinated, but with the other teams that are brought to the table with them as well. They get out there, they talk with the contractors, and they know how to talk the same language and work together as a team to get something resolved.
Our enterprise track system is an excellent example of how we can share that data over the internet with proper access, where all the disciplines are interconnected with deadlines and particular tasks to get a project done.
One of the other things I like about Larson Binkley is that the principals in the firm and a lot of the people that do the quality control work have actually worked in the field in some way. And that experience, I think, translates to fewer changes in the drawings and ultimately a savings to the district because of knowing what you're drawing besides just lines on paper.
A lot of engineers will say they have construction experience, but ours is really hands-on tool belt wearing experience.
Our design and construction department, we build between $20 and $40 million worth of construction every year. Basically since the mid-'80s, Larson Binkley has designed every new project, new building of ours, and numerous renovations. The quality of their drawings, it has just been exceptional.
Our quality control staff is made up of engineers who've had 20 to 30 years worth of experience. We force every project by our enterprise track to go through this quality control procedure.
One of the things that is unique about Larson Binkley is they actually administer an entire project.
Many of our clients have come to recognize our quality control process and our project management tracking process is superior than what they are used to seeing.
Typically our bids that LBI's done for us, we have real tight numbers, and we'll have 4 or 5 or 7 contractors bidding, and we'll have a margin of 1% or 2, and that's just amazing.
They bring new ideas to us all the time.
We research new product and new philosophy out, and if it makes good engineering sense, we share that information with the owner.
We specialize in building data centers and operation centers all over the country. In this world, you have to be cutting edge or you're behind. Technology changes daily.
But we never give a new technology out to a client without doing a full research of that particular technology.
Yeah, we have them do complete MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and they do also our fire sprinkler spec book. We do 10 to 15 data centers a year, and Larson Binkley does at least 90 to 95% of those.
When you take the enterprise track, the quality control and registration in 49 states allows us to leverage design management to the fullest.
Because of the level of our projects, if I didn't have trust in Larson Binkley, I would find someone else. It's the end of the story.
There is a lot of trust there. I know that I can call over there and talk to the person I'm working with, and I know it's going to be taken care of.
There's teamwork and trust between the two companies, and they keep us out of trouble.
It isn't just simply they tell me what they can't do, they tell me what they can do. I feel real confident when they bring something to us that it will work.
If our clients are successful, we will be successful. All of our efforts are focused towards that final goal.